guys and gals, sweet project cars here with cool, trick, and affordable ways and simple ways for the do-it-yourselfer. Today we have something here that, well, we got to put our tail between our legs again. We are getting beat out there, and it's a sad thing, but it's good for you. What I'm about to share with you is the two best products we have ever seen to deal with your leather. It will clean it and condition it like you've never seen before. They are completely safe, and you'll absolutely love this stuff. This seat here is in a motorhome. It is a high-end leather, and I'm going to share with you how easy this is to do, so stick with me. The great thing about this is you don't need to have your Venom gloves when you're doing this, and you'll see why. Julio, will you tell everybody where they can find these?
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio Cesar Chavez, for doing another awesome job. Now this seat it looks clean, but it's not. I'm going to do half the seat. That way you'll get an idea, then we'll finish it out. But this cleanser right here is absolutely amazing. And we are just going to spray it on. It smells awesome. If you have heavily stained leather, then you can let it set on there for a few minutes and let the stains come off. But all you do is do this number right here. Now this is a brand new microfiber. Like I said, I'm only doing half. And you can see that how much dirt I've actually pulled off this so far. Right there. And you can see it's actually coming through the back. You just wipe it up. If you want the absolute best for your leather, I'm sharing it with you right now. These guys are really putting a spanking on us. Now, I'm not sure if you can see the difference in this already. Perfectly safe to use with your hands. You can rub it in. Like I said, I'm doing half the seat. And this cleaner works for hard plastics, leather, vinyl. And also, don't forget to go comment on what motor oil you think is the best. That video is coming up very soon. But like I said, if you've never done this to your seat, then you need to do it as many times as you like until you get it as clean as you like. Now you can see a huge difference between the front half of this seat. It's much dirtier, much nastier. This is the driver's seat than this right here. Now the next thing that you're going to use, very simple, and all the tools again will be in the show more of the video description. If your seats are dried out real good, then you'll put this on and let it set. And it smells great. And you know how safe this is? Watch this. It's safe for your skin. So we're just going to put it on and let it set for about 5 minutes. Let it really absorb into the leather. This is the best, as I said, you can do for your leather. I don't care if you're driving a Porsche. I don't care if you're driving a Lamborghini or a Ford Edge. It doesn't matter. Corvette, Dodge, Cummins turbo diesel with leather. This is the best you can do. So I had it on my hands. I'll just rub it in. It looks gorgeous. I'll get up close with the camera if I can here. But But you're seeing it with your own two eyes. Now you just buff it in. Again, we've been beat. We're putting our tail between our legs. We're admitting defeat. These guys have really got it going on, and I'm not kidding you. All right, let's get the camera up there so you can see it from the front to the back. Now look how nice and whitish this is. Nasty and dirty that is.